welcome to my channel. And if you're watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Pallavi and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty, DIYs, etc. So if you are eyeing upon any of these videos, then consider subscribing. So in this video, I'm going to share with you quick and easy bun hairstyle ideas which hardly requires 4 to 5 minutes and which is really very good for those bad hair days when we are not in the mood to keep our hairs open and just tie it in those buns, especially for the hot weather, hot climate for summer. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started.
So firstly, for the tutorial, what we are going to need are the comb and the band, some kind of tip-top clips or the slides which we get in the local market, we also need a hair texturing spray, some donuts, and a toothbrush, a waste toothbrush. So let's start with the tutorial. Firstly, we will comb all the hair back to remove all the knots and tangles and tie it up as a high raise ponytail. Now ensure that it is really a high raise ponytail. Then we will be using a hair donut. Now what we have to do is we have to put the hair donut on the top of the rubber band. Now if your rubber band is thick, then it's a very good option because the donut will capture that space, and after that we will pull it up to the end of your hair and gradually start putting all the hair, tucking it inside the rubber band. I hope you can understand seeing how I'm doing it here. I'm just tucking all the hairs inside the donuts. Now a small trick here is you can comb the bun at the same time as we are tucking the hair inside the donut so that the hair is properly distributed around the donut and it is not seen, so it looks more representable. Now once your hair bun is done, you can use a texturizing hairspray and just spray it on your flyaways so that it just evens up your hair and there are no flyaways seen. It just gives a sleek bun kind of look. Guys, here we complete our first bun look using a hair donut. Now here the thing is you can clip the bun using the tip-top clips or the slides. Mine was completely perfect, like it's completely up to your call if you want to use the hair clips, but it's pretty much comfortable if you don't clip it also. Now this is how it looks from the top. It is called as a sock bun or the donut bun. Now the one donut which I use, you can also prepare a donut at home using the socks. You just need to cut the socks from the down and just roll it to make a hair donut, and you can use that to make this bun too. So this is very easy method of making a bun and it looks so chic and stylish. For the second look too, we need to follow the same steps. Just comb the hair and try to tie it into a ponytail, a high rise ponytail. Now the only difference here will be in the tying method. Now once you have tied all the hair into the rubber band, ensure that in the last round of tying up, bring the hair halfway and twist the rubber band to make the last round. Leave some hair down, wrap it around the bun, and then holding the hair in your hand, make the last round of the rubber band, tie it completely. So it will just make a weird kind of bun, but then you can just tame down the hairs using some slides and clip for that perfect messy bun kind of look. Now this uneven hairs which you can see on the sides, you can just use the clips or the slides to just pin it to your hair, and that will just create a messy bun kind of look. For the third kind of bun, we will take all the hair into a high-rise ponytail, follow the same step as we did earlier, and take a bun to tie it. But the tying method, just pay attention on the tying method. We'll take the rubber band, clinch it to the other side, twist it, and then the second round you won't be taking the whole hair outside it, you'll be taking the hair only halfway, like this. Just pull the hair halfway, leaving some hair down so that it just makes a fan kind of bun, a flower or the fan kind of bun, and the remaining hair which is left down, we're just going to roll it around the rubber band so that the rubber band is not seen. Now what you can do is hold the bun like this, and then from both the sides of the bun, pulling it down, you can just pin it to your hairs using some slides. Now just try to pull the bun to make it more volumizing, and you can just do the small adjustments how you like your bun to appear. Use a hairspray to just tame down those flyaways on the corners and comb it using a toothbrush, and that's done.
So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video tutorial, and if you really did enjoy, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I'll take a leave for now. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.